POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Comica Audio. And this is another one of their wireless microphone solutions, this time a wireless handheld microphone and a receiver that goes to a DSLR camera or a camcorder or anything else that can take an audio input so that you have wireless sound on the go. What we're going to do today is open this up, see what it looks like on the inside, see what it all comes with, and give it a listen to see if this is something you might be interested yourself. So inside you get something that's familiar to most of the products that Comica Audio makes. Just about everything they do comes with some form of carrying case, so that'd be a semi-hard shell or an actual hard shell form factor. But what we have here is a semi-hard shell option that has a main compartment here with a nice handle that kind of surrounds it for carrying it with, and then you have a front pouch for accessories. And inside you have 3 pockets. This one right here, you have your belt loop clip that goes onto the receiver. That way the person who's holding the camera or whatever else is receiving the audio can actually wear the receiver on their belt. And then you have 2 cables in the middle here. One is a 3.5 millimeter, which is going to go from the receiver to an XLR input of a video camcorder, soundboard, or anything else that takes XLR inputs. And then you also have a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter for everything else, including DSLR cameras, smartphones, and so forth. And here you have a hot shoe adapter. So this allows you to slide this onto the top of a DSLR camera and be able to screw the top portion into the back of the transmitter so it can ride directly on top of the DSLR. That means that the back of the transmitter is going to have these threads on it. Getting into the main section of the bag, you have your instruction manual with a little comment card in the back to let them know what you think about the device once you've played around with it. And then you have your handheld and your receiver. The handheld looks familiar to a lot of different wireless microphones, including Sennheiser, Shure, Saramonic, and Comica. You have a 1 power button feature right here in the front for turning it on and off with by holding it down. And to get to the battery compartment, you have 2 AA batteries once you've unscrewed it off, and 2 switches here. And this is going to give you channel control. This is going to be channel plus, channel minus, it looks like. And then you have low pass filter, or low cut filter. And you just flip that on or flip it down for flat. The transmitter is a little bulky, a little bit bigger than some of the ones we've tested, including some of the stuff coming from Comica, but it's, for the most part, pretty straightforward, like a lot of those in the same way. You have a power button right here on the top that you would hold down to turn it on or turn it off. You have a headphone out so whoever's actually receiving the audio, holding the camera or whatnot, they can actually monitor the audio live that's going into the device that's taking the recording. And then you have output, which is the actual 3.5 millimeter out going into that said device, so DSLR, camera, and so forth. You have menu options here to flip between the menu, and you have a set, so that way you can set your channel, set it, and move on. On the back you have these 2 grooves here, 2 holes. This is where the clips can attach if you choose to wear this on your belt. And you also, like I said, have the threaded adapter that you would screw on, and this slides into the hot shoe mount on top of the DSLR camera. Pretty simple setup. You have, I believe, 48 channels to choose from. It keeps you out of the 600 range, so you don't have to worry about the latest auction that the government did, getting rid of a lot of our precious wireless frequencies. But what we have to do next is get this hooked up, see what it sounds like. That way you can get an idea for yourself and how it compares to something like this Shure microphone. So with the simple act of putting 2 AA batteries in both the handheld and the receiver, all we had to do is turn it on, and both of them are on channel 0. They immediately connected, and we didn't have to adjust anything. Just right here, right now, this is what you're listening to right as you turn on the handhelds right out of the box, or the handheld and the receiver at least. Now you can adjust this. Again, you have up to 48 channels, but at least now you know what it sounds like. Compared to my Shure lavalier microphone, this is what the Comica Audio handheld wireless microphone sounds like. So that's it. It's a pretty decent set, and it's a pretty decent price, actually. So go check it out. We'll have links in the description below. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there, as well as a comment section so that we can all talk about this. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.